Hey everyone, if you're ready to supercharge your email marketing with automation in ActiveCampaign, I'm going to show you how to quickly populate an automation with all the elements you need. Let's get started. First, head over to the automation tab in ActiveCampaign and create a new automation. You can either choose a pre-built template to save time, or you can start from scratch. If you're starting from scratch, you want to first set up a trigger. And this could be something like subscribes to a list, a tag being added, or a customer making a purchase. For this example, we'll just use a subscribes to a list. All right, and start. Okay. And next, so we want to add actions to your automations. This is where the magic happens. You can send email. There you go. And also apply tags. Go to contacts, add a tag. There you go. Let's call this new lead. Save that. And that's your tag. You can also wait for a specified period of time. There we go. 1 day. Let's use that. And you can even send a customized SMS. All right, so to add actions, just click the plus sign icon here and select what you want to happen. You can populate your automation with as many actions as needed to engage your audience. And then finally, test your automation to make sure everything is working smoothly. Once it's all set, turn it on, and ActiveCampaign will handle the rest. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, click the free trial link in the description and start building your automations today.